In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily open recently closed tabs in Safari on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Safari, and after that we need to head over to Safari's start page. To do that, just tap right here and then hit plus. Now guys, here it shows us different sections such as favorites, maybe you got here another sections, and among them we can easily find recently closed tabs, and that's where it shows you all the tabs that has been closed recently. And if you do not see this option here, then just go down this list until you find this edit button, and that's where make sure recently closed tabs is activated. So if it is disabled, just like that, activate it, then close it, and here it is. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.